See, when people ask if things in Jamaica or the Caribbean, and we say we can't do it, more time, I know we can't do it, Sometimes we just look on the occasion of what we have to go through in life in Canada. You see, you know what? We have responsibility to, I want to buy Benz and Beamer to and make house at Jamaica too, At the end of the day. You understand? So, people, the way we live over here, so, normal. It's very hard. Yes, it might be easier when we over here, but majority of the time, easy car rent gone up, bills gone up, everything gone up, and life is hard. Look at my beard, look at it. You see it? So then the day my people in Jamaica or the Caribbean, you just know say yo. I don't like one sending no money, It's just hard for me. But just I say yo, bless up on yourself, but just leave the people alone more time. Call them and just support them and say yo, you're good. Don't hang up your phone. If a man say I'm not good or not good, you see? I'm gonna chuck that right there, so you heard me there. Show you. Yeah man, bless up on yourself.